I just got here and I walked up to this freshwater, stormwater runoff ditch because I wanted to get in my tennis shoes because I want to play a game of tennis under here. Then I saw that. I came in just my tennis shoes because the other ones are so hot and it's like 102 today. So we're gonna get in right here and go up under the city. It's a Sony. It's a Motorola. And there's our destination. I don't have a hat on today, so if I hit my head, that's gonna be a pretty solid impact. This is where I scratched the first time I came in here. I brought nothing to scratch with, nothing to walk with, nothing with the exception of this Motorola. But look, you don't need a lot because look, what is that? It's a little handle thingy. You know what that is? You know what that is? We're going up under here because I got sent a new flashlight and I want to see how good it is. I should have shown it to y'all like a long time ago, but I did not. I should have wore gloves and yeah, I should have brought gloves. This is always a fun little spot, but we'll come back to it after I show you this light. Before we roll off into the wild blue yonder, here's a light. This is the ThruNite Saber. It is the BSS brand. I mean the BSS version model. And as small as it is, it still has a rechargeable battery. This one, you have to take one extra step, which is not a big deal. You take it out, plug it up to USB-C right there. It charges, and then you put the cap back on it like a person would. It is considered an EDC flashlight, which is I had to look it up. That stands for everyday carry. That's a little corny to me. Everyday carry. Hey, you got that EDC EDC orange flashlight? Yeah, I do. Okay, well, you go out, you know, on a camping trip. Hey, anybody got them EDC fingernail clippers? No, but I got this EDC flashlight. This little tiny flashlight, that's a single click, is 1,015 lumens. Let's give it the dubs. There's double click. It's not bad for $24. I've been wanting to get back in here anyway because I wanted to see if there's anything new in here. There should be, right? Again, that's double click. That's single click. Double click, triple click. You get to see one a double. 24 bucks. I'm telling you, it's an awesome light. All my offspring have one because it is small and easy to carry. Say you want to carry it every day, you can call it an EDC flashlight. You have an EDC pocket knife, you have an EDC everything now. It's a little cheese bally. Oh, but here's the funnest part. It gets a little warm, but look, there's your EDC underwater. and it's ready to go. It looks like everything's falling apart under here, so it won't be long before. Sorry, I'm looking for my oh, it's got a drop of water that was fluttering on it. I didn't know what that was. There we go. You have to admit, it's pretty cool. If you like this light, the link will be on Amazon. I mean, not on, it's on Amazon, but it'll be on my I'm trying not to hit my head. It'll be on my, the link will be there. My goodness, y'all know what I'm talking about. So we're at a spot I don't need it, but this is a spot where people are. It does get hot quick on extra bright, so I'll let it cool right there. Huh? A spider just came down and tried to wrap me up in its web. So rude. So there goes a minnow. I don't think you can call them minnows anymore. They are peepalos or they are fish. What do you call a minnow if it's female? I don't know either. A minnow? Look at that big old hunk of lead. Look at that. What is that? Is it lead? No. It is potash metal. I thought it was lead. Okay, we're going in for a little ways. That's a pretty cool picture, isn't it? You want to go with it? Yeah, me too. There's our thumbnail. Oh yeah, that's a good thumbnail. Everybody will say, wow, that flashlight does that. And you say, well, no, it doesn't do that. This is just the thumbnail. Okay, we're going to go with that. Wow, I just heard a door. That means somebody's outside. That means I got to be quiet. Somebody's walking up on me. Not cool. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Probably not. I haven't been in here for a while. It gets really small, and every time I come in here, I leave with my head bleeding. I mean, there's nothing wrong with bleeding out. I'm gonna write a song about it. Actually, Uncle Martin, you write me a song. He is actually a songwriter and a guitar player, and write me a song about bleeding out. That would be cool. We'll add that one too to the thumbnail because that was pretty cool. Let's do it again just for fun. That was fun. He wrote me a song years ago. It's still a cool song. I still have it. There's a bigger hole up here somewhere, I think. That looks like a leech. It's not. Oh, my foot just got soaked. It's rebar. I'm gonna get under here one day, and there's gonna be. I'm gonna hit my head. I don't see anything spectacular in there. Let's go to this one. I'm still using my EDC. Now there's a good looking EDC you got there, son. Why, thank you. I like your beard too. You're welcome. Okay, fun and games over. I just got a call on my dad. Fell in the yard. Neighbors got him. And I gotta go to the hospital. So, I go by and see him every morning, and he gets up and wanders around a little bit and pedals, and then he gets tired and goes back and rests. I thought he was still resting, and I noticed out in the yard. Dadgummit. I always feel like crap. My grandmother fell years ago and laid in the floor for stinking 4 days till I got back from a trip. Anyway, she lived, but anyway, I'm good. I gotta go. I'm sorry it's such a short video. Thanks for watching my videos.